Tell you what, I am really happy with these e-transit vans, these electric cargo vans. I mean, even though just the other day coming back from the airport we barely made it and we couldn't find charging, I really like these vans. And I was hoping my solar would help me. Now, if you may or may not know my small channel, I just came back from Miami, and let me give you a little follow-up on the solar, because you guys watch my old solar videos, ask me questions, and let me show you what I came back to from Miami in February. Look at this. So here's my fourth solar inverter, hybrid solar inverter, and it's in alarm, and I'll tell you why it's in alarm, but it seems to be working good. So this whole system, this panel here, is actually all solar. Now it is a hybrid, so that means when my batteries, which I put this little wooden cabinet around, I've got 3 5 kilowatt hour batteries, and so I got 15 kilowatts of batteries, and it's so cold that I put a little heater there, a little box there, just to kind of heat it up, keep the batteries warm. But I'm beeping, I'm in error, and I'm going to show solar. Well, let me give you an update. I come back and I see my solar panels on Mo over here. So here's Manny. Manny's working excellently, because Manny's got oversized solar panels, but manageable oversized solar panels. Let me back the camera a little bit. And then look at Mo. Now Mo was so egregiously, hubrisly done that I'm not sure why all of these collapsed. I mean, if we look at these brackets, you could see how these brackets have collapsed. Now, that's what the bracket should look like. See how wide it is? This bracket right here. See how wide that is? And then look at this one. So I'm not sure why it did that. If it was weather just ripped up on them. And you know, these are still on because I actually drilled a hole and mounted, sorry about the frame there, and mounted these. See, yeah, these I put a brackets failed. Now I put this little piece of wood up right before I went to Miami for the winter, thinking, okay, heavy wind, and look, this is still here pretty strong. Charge controller still working, charging up the battery, but almost had all came off and boom, I guess hit right here. You can see they probably, the first one fell down and then stacked up, boom, and look at this MC4 connector just ripped right off. But I enjoy these. So my solar's still working, but it's beeping because it's lost that side of it. And even broke. Doesn't look like it. Well, at least my ooh, what's this? Is this a scratch? It might have been on the bottom. Ooh, let me look at this one now. Okay. All right, let's see if I hit the screen. What I got here? 143 volts. So one of my grids have dropped off, so I can shut off one of these solar trackers. I have to say I'm not really convinced on the solar. Of course, you know, all I do is pump money into the solar, and it really hasn't paid off. So a lot of you guys have watched my old solar videos, and you know, if you're not in the same house and you have multiple homes, don't do solar.